There's a lot to do with the comparison of prokaryotic cells with eukaryotic cells. We recall that the modern cell theory includes the statement that all living things are made of one or more cells. All living things. In the tree domain of life, prokaryotes are organisms that can be bacterial and archaea. They are unicellular, which means they are single-celled organisms. Eukaryotes are organisms that all fit in this last domain, eukarya. Eukaryotes may be protists, plants, animals, or fungi. They can be unicellular or they can be multicellular, which means they can be made up of many cells. By the way, just to clarify, the word prokaryote is typically used to refer to the organism itself. Eukaryote is typically refers to the organism itself. And when you're describing its cells, those are eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells to have a lot in common. Both have DNA. That's critical because DNA is the cell's genetic material. Both prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells have ribosomes, which are small organelles. Both cell types have cytoplasm, the jelly-like fluid within cells. Both of them have a cell membrane, also known as a plasma membrane, which is critical because it controls what goes in and it maintaining homeostasis. Now, as for cell walls, most prokaryotic cells have cell walls. Many eukaryotic cells, plant cells, and fungus cells, for example, can have a cell walls. But there are plenty of eukaryotic cells that don't have cell walls, such as animal cells. What makes prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells different is especially interesting. Eukaryotic cells are more complex than prokaryotic cells. They tend to be larger than most prokaryotic cells. I like to remember that pro in prokaryote rhymes with no and yo in eukaryote rhymes with do. Prokaryotic cells have no nucleus to contain their DNA. So you will find their DNA is not contained within a nucleus. They have no membrane-bound organelles. Membrane-bound organelles are fancy organelles that have their own membrane, like nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Big indicator of eukaryotic cells is this nucleus, Eukaryotic cells to have a nucleus to contain their DNA.